fueling up the combine right now. So I'm up by the auger here, and there's this little trap here from the corn, so the corn don't dribble out. One of the springs on the doors here, or on the one of the spring on the door here broke. So I'm gonna have to. I have another spring coming, so hopefully we can get that fixed. Because you lose a lot of grain from it dribbling out from up there, so if you guys can see. Alrighty, so unloading here. We have some wet stuff. The drain cart's sitting like way down there. So we're gonna load that in this semi here for now. I don't know if you guys can see that, but up on the auger, we have yesterday that kind of cut in half there by that groove. So we put 4 pop rivets in there to hold that together. It happened to the top part of it too, where it just randomly fell apart. The top part, we hit the drain cart when we were opening the auger, but this just happened. So the top part was a couple of years ago already, so. Well, we have a problem. Can't move. So the vacuum that takes, and there's a brush on the radiator cover, and there's a brush that brushes off the screen right before it goes to the radiator, and the vacuum that takes all the refuse and crap that gets put on there that's inside the brush is not working. So we overheated the combine, it looks like. But the nice thing about this combine is it warns before it gets to the red. So he threw up a code and told us right away. So you know what, we didn't really, hopefully didn't hurt anything. So I'm just waiting for it to cool down. We gotta shut it off. Got the combine off, and there's stuff floating in here from the thing. It's nothing huge. It was just plugged. Corn leaf like this got up and plugged up the vacuum, so no big deal. Can't get up the regular ladder because there's a corn right there, and I'm not gonna stamp that down, so just have to climb around the head. Okay, I think we're good now. Gotta wait for the DGPS to show up. I've had this started here for 5 minutes. Still. I think it finally kicked in. No DGPS. Huh. Back to cut. Well, the field's coming along slowly but surely. We got a little bit in that grain cart down there. Just gonna start filling up this semi here so I can get taken in. Alrighty, so we got 5 passes to go on this field, roughly. Looks that way. And we'll be done here. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. If we're gonna quit for the night, go take stuff over to the next field, open it up, and just quit for the night, or if we just keep going. Because the mill's going to be closing here in about 2 hours. We'll just have to see. Alright, well, we're done here. Now we have to switch up farms. I'm just waiting for the drain cart driver so we can get the cart over there too. So we're headed out, headed to the next field. Alrighty, so we're on to the next field here. I'm just opened up headlands on each side, so I'm gonna start working these long rows up on this other side here. So, oh, this ain't sketchy at all. Oh, I didn't make it all the way down the pass. That's why we had to do that. So I had to break a little pass open there, but my bins were too full. So I can only break one pass open, because what I do is I have a middle pass, so on each side I take a pass, or a little bit of, like, strip a little bit out of each pass and get it so the drain cart can come in and I can fully open my auger. But that didn't work out too good because my bins were already going on the cab roofs, or the drain was already spilling out of the bins onto the cab roof. So I just stopped and figured we could just do that quick. So I'm gonna dump out the rest of the bin here. I got enough so I could get out, and then I'm gonna break this field open here. So it's the end of the day. They're filling up another truck here. We got one to the mill, and I'm back here. I'm gonna work on the ripper, get that ready. Hopefully we can get some corn ground ripped tomorrow, and as we finish up all of our bean ground. So what's up, man? Anyways, so that's gonna wrap up this video. Hope you all enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Jake Lins. Talk to you guys later.